Omuhwezi wa mukuru wa banka ya Uganda Dr. Michael Atiji Ego nagira ngo sente ziliyoni z'ejonisi bwo mu byo kutebekanisa emirimo yo kutimba amajuta mu kyanga kya Bunyoro zihwerere hango kuto mu nteko ebyo kuhindura sente za dora.
The amount of foreign direct investment that is coming up on account of these oil and gas related activities, there's a portion of it that is coming from the local content. Our estimates are that in the past it's been about 30% of the total amount of the FDI ends up as local content. And that is the money that is sold into our forex market here, and it has helped to stabilize the exchange rate.
Okugamba ebe n'obwabire n'arambuzi bw'emirimo yo kutebekanisa okutimba amajuta mu kyanga kya Bunyoro ari hamwe na mukuru wa Stanbic Bank omu ihanga ryona hamwe na mukuru wa Petroleum Authority of Uganda Ernest Rubondo.
We are going to export it and also plans to have a refinery in place. That alone is possibly going to increase our foreign currency earnings and also conserve the foreign currency expenditures that we're using for importing refined oil into Uganda.
But Uganda's projects are going forward, just like all other oil and gas projects in the rest of the world are going forward. The country cannot sit here and accept to be bulldozed into a situation which is not applying to other countries.
Omuhwezi wa gavana hamwe na mukuru wa Petroleum Authority of Uganda Ernest Rubondo bashaba amabanko kwongera kuta sente omu kyanga kya Bunyoro.
You are all aware that we have very good macroeconomic stability, and therefore this is a good investment destination for all the potential investors.
The wells they have drilled have encountered the oil in the ground as expected, so that's a big achievement, because when you're drilling those wells you have a chance of finding the oil you expect, but there is also a possibility that you might find less.
Zakaria Rubego mukozi wa kampuni ya China National Offshore Oil Corporation erukutebekanisa byo kutimba amajuta ga Kingfisher Oil Development Field nagira ngo hata barya habucweka 53 aharigana
aho tuza kombeka ecyome cy'ukucencure cyo kubanza ikitweta Central Processing Facility mwarango mu rumuntu kugendo meisho tank foundations barimo bazitamo kandi nebyome bindi ebikwija kubana nebyombekwaho materials ezo ninge ebyome byo bikatandika kuka omucweka na nemermendijo etwete ya civil works erimo negendo meisho.
Uganda netekateka kutandika kushohoza amajuta mu mwaka gwa 2025 gashakwa n'wagaba Ambrose Katoto.